If you're like me and hate wearing sunscreen, then these sun shirts by Gradual are just for you. I'm Katie with WTI, and for the first time ever, I tried long sleeves as an alternative to sunscreen. And guess what? I loved it. I thought I would get overheated wearing long sleeves, but I was really impressed with this lightweight and soft material. I was able to enjoy biking, hiking, and walking in 80 plus degree weather without feeling any hotter than I would in a tank top. Some extra features I appreciated were the high low split hem that allows for freedom of movement and the little elastic thumb holes, which I love. They're so cute. There are so many colors to choose from, but I went with a bright green so that I could be more visible in the evenings, and I noticed that the color stayed true after several washes. Now that I've experienced how great this shirt is, I'll definitely be adding more colors to my cart. And that's my point of view.